Hi guys, how to download Dota 2 on PC or laptop. Now open your web browser, like Google Chrome, type the official name of the Steam website into the search bar, and navigate to the site. Watch out for fake ads that look like the real download button. Always check for store.steampowered.com in the URL. Click the Install Steam button on the website to download the installer file. Once downloaded, open the file, follow the setup wizard by clicking Next, and complete the application installation. Here's a pro tip. Install Steam on your main drive, C:, for the fastest performance. Launch the installed Steam application and log in using your existing account credentials, or select the option to create a new free account if you do not have one. Don't skip account creation or you won't be able to download any games. Go to the store search bar inside the Steam application, type Dota 2, and select the official game from the drop-down results. Here's a common mistake. Picking the wrong result might lead to a paid DLC instead of the free game. Scroll down on the Dota 2 store page, click the green Play Game button, choose your installation file folder directory, and click Install to start downloading the game to your computer.